Let's talk about lambda expressions. A lambda expression is a concise way to implement a functional interface. Remember, the one that only has one abstract method. So in order to write a lambda expression, we need a functional interface to write the lambda expression for. The lambda expression essentially describes the implementation of that one abstract method. The syntax of a lambda expression consists of input parameters on the left-hand side, followed by an arrow, and the method body on the right-hand side of this arrow. For example, consider the following lambda expression: x, y, arrow, x plus y. You can read this as x and y become x plus y. The left-hand side represents the input parameters without specified types. And the right-hand side represents the body, which returns the results of x plus y. This is a method implementation, and is basically the same as a method, though we did not give it a name, that takes x and y as input parameters and then returns x plus y. Let's discuss the parameters and body of lambda expressions in a bit more detail. Lambdas can have 0, 1 or multiple parameters, and their types can be inferred from the method signature of the functional interface being implemented. Parameters are comma-separated when there are more than one. The body of a lambda expression can consist of a single statement or multiple statements. If the body has only one statement, it can return a value or nothing. For a single statement returning a value, you can omit the curly brackets. Also, you can omit the return keyword and the semicolon. For multiple statements, you must use curly brackets, and you should include the return keyword again if the method is returning a value, that is. And also you need semicolons for each statement, pretty much exactly like a normal method body. So these are the basic rules, and you may want to revisit them. Let's see some examples of this in the next video.